Today is Thursday. I hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Thanks so much for stopping in today, guys. All right, as you can see, we are in the vehicle. I am out and about today because I need to go pick up some decor pieces for the house. Yes, I know that I'd said a few videos back that I was pretty much done decorating the house, but as soon as I said that, no sooner than those words could leave my mouth, my Chase, my dear 16-year-old Chase, informs me that his office space is a little bit too kiddie and he would like to make some changes. However, he does not want to come with me to get said pieces, to make said changes. And you know what? I don't have a problem with it. I love doing my home decor shopping by myself. So I need to get some things for his office space. We are gearing up for our annual little friends come over, and we have a little fall get together at the house. So I need to get a few pieces for that. And I need to get maybe a wreath for the front door and maybe some flowers for my flower pots. But anyway, glad that you guys could stop in and hang out with me. Also, I'm glad that you are here today because I have something for you guys who love to decorate, home decor decorators like myself. All right, so I want to thank the guys over at Jam City for sponsoring today's video. Oh my gosh, guys, the game that I have been beyond obsessed with right now is Vineyard Valley. Download Vineyard Valley today for free. Yes, I said free, using my link jamcity.me/theUnFrumpyMommy, which is also going to be down below in the description box. Start decorating. I mean playing, guys. This game, to give you a little bit of the backstory, we are going to be decorating and helping to renovate, guys, Tangled Vines Resort. And it is such a wonderful like home decor reality type of game that you can actually play on your mobile device. And guys, here's the kicker. All right, for those of you who are familiar with some of the, popular TV shows surrounding, home decor and things like that, you guys will hopefully remember Genevieve Gorder. Celebrity interior designer Genevieve Gorder has helped the designers of the game create the interiors and the renovation opportunities in rebuilding the ruined winery. Now, I mentioned that there's some other interesting stuff going on here in the game. All right, so first off, guys, everyone can find themselves in the Vineyard Valley characters. There's a whole host of characters. They're funny. There's some love triangles going on. It's almost like a reality TV type thing, guys, and you will absolutely lose yourself in this game. I can't tell you how many times dinner has been late making it to the table. You guys know here in my house, we eat dinner at a certain time, and it has been late because I have been, helping my cast of family members at Vineyard Valley to get Tangled Vines Resort back up and running. We are at our first stop. I'm going to run in here, like I said, see if I can't find a nice little wreath for the front door. So I'm going to bring you guys inside. Yeah. So hot outside, but it's nice and cool in here. I love when I come in here, it always smells like cinnamon. The Halloween stuff is already out. This is kind of cute though. So even though we are still in the throes of summer, I'm trying to decide now, do I get a fall wreath? Do I want to do fall? Or do I do summer colors? I didn't think about that. All of their floral, as you can see here, is 40% off. But I don't know if I'm really ready to do fall yet. Have I mentioned to you guys how hot it is? Oh, I might have to reconsider getting the fall wreath. Maybe that'll help, I don't know, usher in the cooler fall temperatures, because it is blazing hot today. I do love too, as I'm showing right here, guys, is the collapsing puzzle play. Tongue tight. This game, guys, it is so exciting. I can barely speak, but the collapse puzzle play is absolutely very fun, very relaxing, and this is how we're actually going to get the funds to purchase the countertops and the cabinets and other things that we are going to need to get the winery back up and running. I put denim jeans on and a long sleeve white shirt. But anywho, we're in here. Let's see what we can find. And it's not terribly crowded in here today, and that is a miracle in itself. I didn't get a wreath out of the other store because I don't know, I didn't really find anything that really spoke to me, and I wasn't in the mood to make one. But check these out right here. This one is pretty. This one's nice and bright as well. But I actually think I want something like this. It's like the flowers are a little bit faded, the colors are a little muted. So it's not like really full on spring or summer. It's like it's kind of fading out for the summer, but not full on fall yet. Let's see how much this one is. Let's see. Well, let me see. About 40 bucks. That's not bad. That's not bad at all, and it's a good size too. All right, so you guys remember I shared a few videos back that fiddle leaf fig plant that I ordered online. Well, they have one in here, and this one is $79.99, and I like this one a lot better. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit too big for the theater room though, but it's a good deal on that one. One word, just beautiful. I wish I had someplace to put these chairs. Oh my gosh, $2.99. They say Nautica, but I'm not really getting Nautica vibes. I think these are more neutral. The striping on it is like a navy blue, but you could put these anywhere. I really think this is a good price too, like I said, for $2.99. Super cute. I am, like I said, guys, absolutely obsessed with the game. Okay, it fits right in line with my personality. I'm sure you guys can relate to, especially those of you who like to decorate and, you know, do little DIY projects around the house. I'll have to say, if I had to choose a favorite character, it's going to be Inspector Richard. I love Inspector Richard. He kind of reminds me of the inspectors that we had to have out to the house when we were actually having our basement finished. If you know anything about, you know, having a house built and things like that, you know, you have to have your inspectors come out, and they come out and they make sure the contractors that you have hired have everything up to code. Okay, they're not going to leave anything to chance. And so that is what that's the role that Inspector Richard has here in the games. And what I am loving is like how I'm headed into these stores today to spend my money. I love in the game, it's all like, you know, a little make-believe money, so you can do all of the shopping and make all of the purchases you want. All you have to do is, you know, get your skills up so that you can make these purchases. All right, I don't know if I can really put into words just how very hot it is today. Right now, as I sit here in the truck before going into the garden center, I'm trying to get a few more breezes from this AC. It is 95 degrees outside today. 95. And I think it feels more like 114. But I wanted to stop and, like I said, cool off. And so while I'm sitting here, I'll give you guys a quick car haul. So first off are these king fitted sheets, guys. These were 50 bucks. You get the fitted sheet, the top sheet, and four king pillowcases. And I thought that was a really good deal. And then I also picked up four, well, no, this is a 2-pack of just the pillowcases. And I love having these on hand because you just never know when you're going to need to switch the sheets out at your house because you have guests stopping by. All right. And then I also picked up this wreath. I did see quite a few pretty ones in the stores that I stopped in today, but I felt this one right here for $29.99 will give me the biggest bang for my buck, in that, you know, it's just green. This is, I want to say it's a boxwood type of faux plant, but I will be able to use this for all 4 seasons, and that I don't have to worry about any pumpkins or cranberries or roses or sunflowers or anything like that. I'll be able to, you know, really get a lot of use out of that. And that is all that I have picked up thus far. The theme of today's video is going to be just heat and hot. It is so hot, and then I have the audacity to come to the garden center today where it's just like ridiculously hot and muggy and look for plants. But we are actually going to muscle on through this because my front porch right now is really looking a bit lackluster. They have the fans on, so you know what, it actually feels better out here. So yeah, this is bad. They have it covered. Thank you. Thank you. Let me know if you guys are redoing your front porch for fall, or do you still have it? And oh my gosh, what does that smell? Okay, I'm over in the herb section and it smells like pasta. I'm hungry. It's like 4 o'clock. I haven't eaten since breakfast. So what do you guys think about these chairs? It's like they almost look like wood. You guys will have to disregard the oiliness, okay? I came in here straight from the garden center, but yeah, I'm actually liking these. We do not have any patio furniture down on the basement exit area. We do have like benches, but we don't have any like table and umbrella stuff. So I think these are kind of cute. But yeah, this would be great down right off of the basement. We have the benches, and I DIY'd those benches actually. Eric and I did. But we don't have any like formal seating, like with a table, like a dining room area. Do you call it outdoor furniture, dining room? We don't have a table and chair set up down there, so it looks like a wood, and then it has this little tile inlay here, and then of course this little cap right here is where you'll put your umbrella. It doesn't come with an umbrella, however, but we wouldn't need an umbrella because we have the underdeck, so that would be okay. Well, that's going to do it for today, guys. I want to once again send a huge thank you out to everyone over at Jam City and also my new friends over at Vineyard Valley. Don't forget, guys, go ahead, download Vineyard Valley today for free using my link, jamcity.me/TheUnFrumpyMommy. And guys, that code is also going to be, or link will also be down below in the description box for you to go ahead and start playing. It is an amazing game. I'm having so much fun. All right, be sure to tune in to the next video so that you can see all of the goodies I picked up here at the garden center and to kind of find out where I am absolutely going to place everything. Really appreciate you guys stopping in, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.